Hello. Today I wanted to look at a RGB LED. Basically, what that means is that we can change the LED's color just like you would a pixel on a TV screen. I'm not going to try to make any fancy colors today, but basically that's how you would do it. You'd have different values for R, G, and B being red, green, and blue, and you can make all your different colors. The configuration that I'm using is the common anode. There's a common cathode in which this would actually be ground, and you would run different lines to each of the pins for the different colors. But with the common anode, they all get 5 volts here, and we sync each one of these lines to a different pin on our microcontroller. So let's look at the equations for that. It's pretty simple stuff here for now. Just use Ohm's law. You have your 5 volts minus whatever voltage you want your LED to be at, and divide it by the current you want to go through that LED. I kept everything at 20 milliamps. It's just a common value that most LEDs run pretty good at. You can up that if you want them to be a little bit brighter, or go a little bit lower if you kind of want it to be a little bit duller. You can also use your pulse width modulation to kind of control that. As we see in the schematic right here, we kind of have we have our rail, and then we have our LED, our resistor value. Here's the different values that I used for red, blue, and green. And then this actually goes to the microcontroller, and we'll use pulse width modulation to actually vary the voltage that this is at. And now let's see what that looks like. I put together a simple sketch here that just kind of goes through the colors. Just goes red, green, and blue. The green's a little saturated, but I guess you can probably get the gist of what goes on, and it just goes back and forth between those colors. So it's pretty cool to use in projects. It takes up a little bit more pins than normal, but it's pretty cool to use. Thanks for watching.